Topic is demotivation, the condition of being without motivation. Causes of demotivation: hopelessness, helplessness, overwhelming yourself, jumping to conclusion that I cannot do it, I cannot make it, I am bad, I cannot achieve, self-labeling, self-labeling, I don't do, and I am bad, undervaluing the rewards which they get, they are undervaluing them. Perfectionism, no one want to be themselves, they all want to be perfect. Fear of failure, fear of success, fear of disapproval or criticism. People nowadays, they do not face other people because they may criticize them. Coherence and assessment, low frustration tolerance, guilt and self-blame. These all leads to depression, self-hate, psychotic, relationship baggage. Nowadays, in a survey, it has been shown that a student or a child will not speak to their is not speaking to their parents more than 8 minutes. They are speaking to their mother and father less than 8 minutes. Lack of help, ignorance. Other people may ignore them or they ignore other people. They cannot face other people. Failure, fear of failure as well as success due to over ambitious, breaking hope and fear. Fear of failure leads to suicide. Causes of suicide in India: forced career choices. The student may be wanted to become doctor, but due to pressure, they choose science. They choose math stream. Pressure, stress, poor education system, self blame, not speaking up, not speaking to their parents, not speaking about their career, and not sharing their ideas and views. The suicide among the students is teenagers. A teenager and 15 to 29 years of suicide are more. A student commits suicide every hour. In India, in a report, it has been shown that student suicide uh, by the National Crime Record Bureau, it has been reported every hour one student commits to suicide in India, with about 28 such suicides reported every day. In 2017, it was 9,905, but within a year, it has been increased to 10,159. In overall year, it is 10,159 students died by suicide. Here we have 19 students in April 2019 committed suicide in Telangana in a week. In Madhya Pradesh, in a day, 12 students were died after result has been announced, because they do not face their result. They do not face the failure. This is the article, pressure of perfection. Overburden on shoulders. It is a rough note of a student. In a rough notes, we may draw flowers, we may draw cards, we may draw anything, but a student drawn like this, he hates his life. It is by a student. मैंने सोचा था कि अगर मैं पास नहीं हो पाई तो मैं जान दे दूंगी. I thought if I don't clear the exam, I will end my life. It is by an 14-year-old Parina's suicide note. It is on 14-year-old. 14-year-old girl is not completely seen her life, but she ended her life. Every day is a second chance. The greatest gift of you receive is another day of life. We may not be alive tomorrow. We should enjoy every day. We should not fear of about failure. We should face our failure. It is another note. It's not because of bad scores in the exam. It's because I have started hating myself to extent that I want to kill myself. It is it is by Kriti Tripathi, 17-year-old, took her own life after she passed the IIT JEE entrance exam.
See,
After she passed IIT JEE.
Ashmi, after passed or after getting failed?
Passed, sir. After passed. She may not want to choose that stream. She hate her life.
Okay, okay. Okay.
In this too, student is not choosing support. He chose suicide. Nowadays we can see in many of the status, many social media accounts, we can see alone life, I hate my life, these type of quotations. Life is a precious gift. We should value our life. Everyone do not get another chance. Advices for parents and students. Parents should be positive towards their children. Parents should not stress their their children, and teacher need to support the student. They should allow them to their goals, to reach their goals. They should allow their views. They should not force the student which they like. Positive attitude, rest and recreation. Nowadays people are using phone and they are not doing exercise. They lack of sleep. Due to pollution there is no fresh air. Because of all these things, the children will get anxious, will be excited, and anxious will be increased. Support and guidance. Parent, student and relatives, everyone should support the student. Unconditional love. There should be unconditional love towards children by parents. What should be done? They should support, they should help, they should share their feelings, they should give examples of other people. We should encourage the student and we should not leave them alone. It always seems impossible until it's done. It is one picture. Caring, listening, support and help. Success is not failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts.